What's up, everybody? I'm Mike.
And I'm Liz.
And this is our homestead that we're building. I'm 27 years old, and Liz here.
I'm 25.
She's
I'll be
25.
26 pretty soon.
Yeah. If you're new to the channel, you should go back and check out our older videos to see what we've built in the last 6 months.
It's come a long ways. So,
Yeah,
like and subscribe, you guys.
Yeah. Today, we are finishing up the strip sheathing on this end gable behind me here. And we're gonna get up on the roof and keep doing the strips up on the roof. Dude, got a big eye booger. Hey, come here. I got that for you. I got it. All right, no, come on. I'm stacking lumber. Man, some of these are much lighter than others. I don't think they're wet, but if anybody has any idea why some of these 2x are almost half the weight, it feels like, of others. Look at this. This is the kind of lumber they sell at that lumber company. It's not real good lumber. That's bullshit. They should not be selling shit like that. I got this stuff locally. We didn't drive to Montana because lumber prices are expensive everywhere. The cheapest one at the moment are the big box stores. Those are like 12 bucks a piece for a 16-foot 2x4. All the other stores are, well, 14 or 15. But all the other stores load them for you. They got a forklift and they can put it right on your trailer. Or at the big box stores, you have to move them 3 times because you take them off the shelf to put them on the cart, then you take them off the cart to put them on the trailer, then you take them off the trailer to put them on the building. It's a convenience fee. It's a pretty expensive convenience fee. I did a box store thing for the first batch. I shorted myself like 150 2x4s, not quite 150, maybe 130. I'm not sure how, but that's that. So I got 75 from the big box store, loaded it myself, and I needed to get metal from the other store. So I wasn't trying to be lazy. I was just already there, and both those stores are opposite directions, so it was just easier. We need to go over to this far end. Let's walk down there. So you can't see it from down here, but that gable end is really bowed. It's bowed out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna climb up there and get some clamps on it and clamp it straight. That way I can nail my overhang down. It's a little breezy today. My dad was nice enough to bring up his littler ladder. It's 26 foot, which isn't a small ladder by any means. But it's much more manageable than a 34-foot ladder, and it's much lighter, so it's easier to move. all she's got there. Might be enough. Oh, there we go. All right. Oh yeah, that's working. All right, I just have to be careful because I'm pulling on that one pretty hard. Let's see how much this pops. Yeah, be best to get it up there, I think. All right, I need some breakfast. Let's see what's on the menu today. Oh, the usual bacon and hot dogs. Dropped this bad boy yesterday, cracked the battery. Probably just duct tape, it still works. Somehow. Look at that. Looking like a charm. Let's go take a look at that, see how straight it looks now. Ooh, that's not bad. That top piece is bowed out a little. I'll go and hit that here. The camera actually ended up dying up on top of the roof, so I didn't get the shots of me nailing those boards down. I'm about halfway done, so we still have another half of this thing to go. Hopefully we can finish it by the end of the week. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe down below. I would appreciate it. It helps support me. And thank you. We'll see you next time.